Welcome to another lesson, and in today's lesson we are going to learn how to align our text using VBA, and also learn how to orient our text using VBA. That's we are going to do alignment and orientation. Now let's start with alignment. When you want to do alignment in Excel, it's just simple. You just select the cells, the group of cells, or the actual cell that you want to apply the alignment. Just select it. Then you go to the alignment group here. So you have the top align, we have the center align or the middle align, then you have the bottom align. So you just click on it based on the alignment that you want. So this is the top, this is the down, and the middle, then this is what the down. So with this alignment, we call it vertical alignment. We call this vertical alignment. Then you can also have another alignment down here, which is called horizontal alignment. That is to the left, to the center, and then to the right. So that is the vertical horizontal alignment. So we have two alignments in Excel, either the vertical alignment or the horizontal alignment. But if you want to use VBA, that's where the coding comes in. So let's go to the VBA editor and then see how to do this alignment. Okay, so let's create another module or another subroutine. Okay, so sub, then let's limit alignment. Okay, so with this alignment, we first of all need to select the range. So the range of cells that we want to apply the alignment. So range, then the text is found at cell A1 through to A5. Okay, dots. So which kind of alignment are you going to? Are you going to use the vertical alignment or the horizontal alignment? So let's start with the vertical alignment. So dot, just write the vertical alignment. Okay, so vertical alignment to be equal to. So initially, as I said, when talk about vertical alignment, it's from the top to down. So either you have the top, you have the middle, then you have at the bottom. So you use what Excel top to represent the alignment to be at the top. So let's copy this one and then let's paste it here for the other alignment. So we also have Excel middle. Okay, I think it's Excel center. Okay, let me use center and see. Okay, so it's Excel center, then Excel bottom. Okay, so that's the vertical alignment. Now let's check the horizontal alignment too. So let's use the same range, A1 through to A5, then dot horizontal alignment. Okay, so horizontal alignment will be from left to right, so it will be Excel left. Okay, so let's copy that one too. So copy here is just making sure the arrow is at the top here. The arrow change to this cursor, then you just click on it, you select Control plus C, then you come to where you want to paste your code, and Control plus V to paste the code there for you. Okay, so let's paste another one. Okay, so this one will be Excel middle or Excel center. Then Excel right. Good. Now we have this code here. So now let's step into it and see the effect. So now let's watch the Excel sheet behind the code. So the first one is the vertical alignment. That is, you want it to be at the top. So if you click on it, you see that the cells have been aligned at the top. Now the second one will be the center, and the last one will be at the bottom. Okay. Now we talk the vertical alignment, the horizontal alignment from the left. So if you click on it, see from the left, the center, then on the right. Okay, so this is how you align your text based on or using VBA code, vertical alignment or horizontal alignment. Okay, now the next thing is orientation. Now let's go to our sheet. When you talk of orientation, you want to check, or you want to align your text in a certain angle. So that's where you are going to use the orientation. So if you want to use orientation, you just select the cell, the group of cell, the cell that you want to align orientation to. Then come to this icon here. Just click on it. You can see a list of orientation, angle orientation, the angle that you want your orientation to be, either the clockwise or the counterclockwise. Then you have the vertical and so many other alignment here. Okay, so we are going to use VBA to do this simple task. Okay, so now let's go to our editor and start with our coding. So we are going to create a new subroutine and name it as orientation. Okay, so we are going to use a cell instead of range. You can also use cell for these tasks. So let's use a cell, a particular cell. So let's say cell A, cell A2 for this particular. Then we are going to use orientation. With this, you can start from 0. So since it is a degree, any number that anything you type equate to should be in degree. So 0 is in degree. So that's 0 degree. When you say 0 degree, it means there is no orientation. The orientation is at 0 degrees. And paste this a few times so that we can change. So let's use 10 for here for 10 degrees. Let's use 30. Let's use 50 here. Let's use, okay, let me use 90. Then let me use 100 for this. So now we have this here, our 0 degree, 10, 30, 50, 90, and 100. So let's step into it and see the effect. So cell A2 and see. So the first one, there will be no effect. But the second one, there should be an effect because it's at 10 degrees. Okay, now let's watch. See that there's some changes here. When you step into it again, you see that the orientation will now increase. Then it will increase again. Okay, so now we are at 90 degrees. So when it's 90 degrees, that means we should be at the vertical position. Okay, so 90 degrees, we are at the vertical position. So that means 120 should go beyond the vertical. Okay, that's 100 should go beyond the vertical. Okay, now let's say unable to set the orientation property to okay. That means it can't go beyond what 90 degrees. So take note of that. So this is the orientation for, or this is how we use VBA to orient our text. Okay, so I'll end here. Today we did vertical alignment. We did the alignment and we also did the orientation. I'll end here and continue another lesson. Thank you all. Have a nice day.